Hey, Josh here with CTA. Today we're going to be doing installation of our CTA electric tonneau cover. Let's get into it.
First things first, let's get everything out of the box. Lay all the components out to help keep things organized and make sure nothing is missing. Quick rundown of what you've got. Your canister assembly, side rails, foam seals, mounting brackets, hardware, drain tubes, canister cover, and wiring harness. The smaller hardware is labeled, so it's pretty straightforward once it's laid out. Before installing anything, clean off the bed rails and the front of the bulkhead. You want a smooth surface so the seals stick properly and everything mounts up tight. Now install your foam seals across the bulkhead and along the bed rails and trim the excess foam off. Don't forget about this step because this is what helps keep the water out of the bed. Now move over to your side rails. Slide the side rails onto the canister, making sure the cover slats are properly seated into the channels. The driver's side will have your control button. Once everything's aligned and sitting flush, secure them with the provided hardware. Next, install the cover plate and attach the weather seals along the rails. This is going to seal everything up and protect against the elements. Push the motor handle clutch up to engage the motor and down to disengage. Next, let's connect the wiring harness. All the plugs are labeled, so just match them up and secure the wiring neatly along the canister. Route the power cable out of the bed, along the frame, and up into the engine bay. Secure it away from heat and moving parts, but don't hook it up to the battery just yet. With a second person, carefully lift the assembly onto the truck bed. Set it into position without sliding it, and make sure you're not pinching any wires. Let's install the front mounting brackets using the factory mounting points under the bed caps. Once they're lined up, go ahead and tighten them down and repeat on the other side. So the rear mounting bracket goes here, and you usually drill your hole for the drain tube here. However, this customer didn't want us to drill any drain holes, so we opted for removing the rear bracket and utilizing the existing hole for the drain tube. You can use the calibration bar to align the side rails evenly. Make sure the cover moves smoothly, then go ahead and tighten all your hardware down. Now let's connect the power harness to the battery. Ensure the fuse is installed and secure everything in the engine bay. Now run the calibration process. This allows the cover to learn its full open and close positions. Ensure the cover opens and closes all the way through completely. Make sure to test your key fobs and the button on the rail to ensure they operate properly. And that's it. You're fully installed, ready to go. Clean, secure, and built for everyday use. If you have any other questions or concerns, check us out at ChandlerTruckAccessories.com.